At Bay East, we understand the needs of today's real estate professionals. That's why we've handpicked a list of benefits tailored to help you and your business. Access these benefits and more at bayeast.org. Go to the Resources tab and select Benefits from Member Benefits and Resources on the Bay East homepage. Bay East members have access to online products such as the Realtor Member Assistance Program, which specializes in providing support in various aspects of life, including mental health, emotional well-being, financial concerns, and work-life balance. Get access to deals on insurance, such as health, dental, and vision through NAR and CAR. Bay East offers a variety of classes to help you succeed as a real estate professional. You can find on-demand classes, quick grab-and-go videos, upcoming classes, designation courses, and more. Have an MLS question? Our MLS tech support can be contacted online, by chat, or phone. You can also schedule an appointment for computer repair and more. Take a deeper dive into each category to find even more tools and resources to help you stay up to date on the latest trends, strategies, and best practices in the industry. Thanks for watching.